My name's Rex Horton. I'm a plumbing instructor here at CTEC.
My name is Nathan Jones. I'm a senior at Shelby County High.
We're in the business of bringing young men and young ladies in and train them in the profession of plumbing.
I really didn't know what I was going to do after high school, like if I was going to go to college or go straight into the workforce. I thought this was an opportunity to kind of branch out. I would recommend the plumbing program here at CTEC because it really exposes you to all the things that you're going to be doing as a plumber. It's not all just unclogging toilets. So today in class, we're actually installing a drainage waste and vent system onto a platform. We're measuring out all of our pipes. We're getting all of our fittings set up. After high school, I have an advantage over other students that are trying to go into the workforce. I also still have the opportunity to go to college if I wanted to get a business degree so I could one day hopefully run my own business.
If you would like to be trained professionally in a business that you could earn up to or above $100,000 a year, we might be one of the programs here that you'd be interested in coming. So if it's something you'd be interested, you like working with your hands, please come see us.